Do you want to know how I changed this messy room to this beautiful photo booth? Well, keep watching. Hi, thanks for chilling with H today. I recently did a much needed makeover on this room. We had recast the floor to lift it, and there were concrete splatters all over the wall, as you can see. The paint was flaking after it was water soaked from the major floods that took place over a year ago. So it was a total eyesore. You might be asking yourself, what does a DIY have to do with being healthy? Well, it gives you a good workout physically, as well as it's therapy for the mind. It keeps you focused on what you're doing, so no time to worry about anything else. You can also have a good night's sleep because you're tired after you're done. Anyway, I had to scrape out the concrete splatters and flaking paint from the walls. For the concrete, I used a lushat, and for the flakes, I used a paint spatula. Then I rubbed with a piece of red brick. Well, that's all I had at hand, so I know there are tools for that, but I just used what I had. So just to get the wall all smooth before painting. I also filled in the tiny holes that remained after I removed an old shelf that was bolted to the wall. For that, I used a powdered putty that I mixed with a few drops of water, and I practically used my fingers to stuff it in the holes. I'm sorry I don't have footage of me actually doing that, but it would have been tedious to record with dirty hands. The paint that I used was a Supermatt, and funny enough, I bought that same paint 3 years ago, and it cost me $120 per gallon. And 2 weeks ago, when I bought this gallon to paint the wall, it was $165. And in less than a week, the price went up to $185 TT. And it's all at the same hardware store. The ceiling was done in a flat white of the same brand of paint. And the Burglar Proof was painted from red oxide to white industrial oil paint. While I was getting the room together, well, someone else was decorating, as you can see, with some plastic bugs and so. The floor needs to be tiled, but for now, this is what I'm able to do. The decorations are from the Dollarstore abroad, and the red carpet on the floor is an old burgundy curtain that I used to hide the bare concrete. The pipe hanging close to the ceiling was used to tie a piñata, and voila! We had a photo booth ready to do a small, memorable photo shoot for an 8th birthday. DIY projects can be fun and keep you physically and mentally healthy. So get going. Let me know what you think about it. Drop me a comment and remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and thanks for chilling with H today.